Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this circle type purse with zip and keychain here. Keychain, just fix it. Okay, this one we need to do two parts here. With two parts, then we slip stitch together in the bottom. You see? Okay. Okay, now let's start. Okay, I'm going to make with two strands of yarn. This type yarn cannot pull from inside, so no choice, we have to pull from the outer side. Okay, I'm going to make 6 single crochet in magic ring. Okay, pull it tight, slip stitch with the first stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make sure you have 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Okay, now we are going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch, so you will have 12 stitches in this row, in this round. Because we are using 2 strands, so we have to be careful when pulling it. Slip stitch. Okay, now we are going to make 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Then 1 single crochet in next. So you are going to repeat this, 2 in first, then 1 in the second. You will have 18 stitches on this round. Okay, repeat this. Okay, we have 18 stitches in this row. Slip stitch with the first. Okay, now I'll normally whenever I make another round, I'll just make one chain, so it's like for me it's a marking. If you don't want, you can leave it. So now we are going to make next row. Next row we will have 24 stitches, so we are going to make 1 single crochet in 2 stitches. 1 2, then we are going to increase in next. 1 2, increase in next. Repeat this till the end. Okay, completed. Okay, now we are going to make we completed 24. So now next row we are going to make 30 stitches. We are going to make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, because it's 2 strand of yarn, a bit difficult. Okay, 1 2. So that, and next we are going to make 1 stitches in 3 stitch, 1 single crochet in 3 stitch. See, okay, we are going to increase 2, then 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. Repeat this till the row end. Okay, 1, 2, then 1, 3 times. Okay, now completed 30 stitches. Okay, now we are going to make 1 single crochet in 2 stitches, 1, 2. Okay, 2 stitches. Then we are going to increase in next. This row will be a bit different. 1 single crochet in 2 stitches, then increase. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet in 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we are going to repeat that again. 1 single crochet in 2 stitches, then increase, 2, then we are going to make 1 single crochet in 4 stitches. Okay, 1 single crochet in 2 stitches, increase, then 1 single crochet in 4 stitches, then we increase. Okay, we had done this one and we still have 3 more stitches balance. In these 3 stitches, one we are going to make 2 single crochet in the next and 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So now we slip stitch. We will have 36 stitches in this row. Okay, we'll have 36. Okay, we completed row number 6. Now we are going to make row number 7. I'm going to make 1 single crochet in 5 stitch, then increase. So this one we are going to do 7 times. We will have 42 stitches on this round. Okay, repeat 1 single crochet in 5 stitches, and increase. Okay, completed. Join with slip stitch. We will have 42 stitches in this round. Okay, now next round we are going to make 1 single crochet in 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, then increase in next. We are going to repeat this all over again. We will have 48 stitches in this round. Repeat. Okay, we completed 6 times. We have 48 stitches. Now we are going to maintain with this 48 stitches another 4 more rounds. But before that, the first row will be doing in the back loop only, and one single crochet in back loop. But the next 3 rounds we will maintain with both loops. Because we are going to have the shape here. Okay, done in the back loop. Okay, so now we are going to make another 3 more rows with one single crochet in the both loop. Okay, once you completed three rows, you have to make another of this, because we need these 2 parts, so we are going to attach like this. Okay, let me finish the 3 rows, then another part for this, then I will show you how we are going to join it. Okay, I completed this one 3 row. I did 3 rows. Just now I mentioned 4 rows, isn't it? But I did 3 only, because I feel 3 should be enough already. If you want more also can, it's your choice. So now I have 2 parts here. I've got 2 parts here. These 2 parts I'm going to join. Now I'm going to join 28 stitches. I'm going to join with the other part. I'm going to join. You can join any ways you like. Maybe like slip stitch, or you want to any ways which you prefer. Okay, I'm going to do slip stitch in each stitch, joining together. Join in 28 stitches. I did the marking before I doing the slip stitch. I do the marking for 28 stitches. Here I did the marking here, so I'm going to slip stitch till here. Okay, I completed slip stitch. Okay, this part. Now we get this balance, isn't it? Here I'm going to put the zip. Okay, cut off the yarn and hide the yarn inside. Okay, I completed. Here I stitch here with the slip stitch, and I put zip here. Here I got zip. Okay, like this. So we have here circle and bottom we join together. We have 2 parts to join together. Okay, like this. Okay, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.